Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Hopper 2025 account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Access account settings. Log into your Hopper 2025 account and navigate to the account settings. Look for the option labeled Security or Account Security. Step 2. Find two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the section for two-factor authentication. This may also be referred to as 2FA or multi-factor authentication. Step 3. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options may include SMS text messages, email, or an authentication app like Google Authenticator. Step 4. Verify your method. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method. This usually involves entering a code sent to your phone or email to confirm that you have access to it. Step 5. Save changes. Once verification is complete, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication is now enabled on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Hopper 2025 account and protect your personal information.